Tens of thousands of D.C. residents are breathing a sigh of relief today after finding out that their medical debt has been wiped out. We're talking about nearly $42 million of debt from local hospitals that's been paid off by the D.C. government. The announcement came today from Mayor Bowser, who says that she wants to give Washingtonians a fair shot. Our Rafael Sanchez Cruz spoke with one of those groups here in the district that's helping neighbors navigate this process. Rafael?
Larry, it sounds too good to be true, right? You get a letter telling you that your medical debt has been wiped out and you've never even applied for a forgiveness program. But for over 62,000 people here in D.C., this is happening. And there's some tips that you need to follow. Starting today, tens of thousands of D.C. residents will be getting letters in the mail informing them that their looming medical debt has been canceled. Mayor Merle Bowser's office says that using nearly $234,000 in surplus funds from the 2023 fiscal year budget, the city will be able to pay off close to $42 million in debt from local hospitals.
For folks that have gotten the relief, they don't have to do anything.
Aria Levinson Waldman, founder of the group Zedek DC, who works with people facing legal problems with debt, says this is a big win for the more than 62,000 Washingtonians that will reap the benefits. Those eligible make less than 4 times the federal poverty level, where their medical debt was more than 5% of their annual household income.
Sometimes we're suspicious about where an envelope is from. If the envelope is coming from something called Undue Medical Debt, which is one of the nonprofit partners involved, we want to make sure folks open the envelope, encourage them to do that, and make sure they got the name right. And then number 2, make sure that medical debt has come off of your credit report, which is how the program is supposed to be working.
In a statement, Mayor Bowser said, "We know the burden of medical debt can be a barrier from going to the doctor, buying a home, or going to college to have a fair shot in their health and overall being. By releasing D.C. residents from the burden of medical debt, we're making sure people have a fair shot." D.C. officials say that more than half of the debt relief will go to residents that make $25,000 or less per year.
Also, it's really important that folks know, and this has been fully vetted by the IRS, there is not a tax consequence from getting this relief.
So just like DC says, they're willing to help people make sure this goes smoothly, particularly that this debt is no longer on people's credit score. We have included all their information up on our website, WUSA9.com, Larry.
What a great way to end the weekend. It's good to see people get a win, you know?
Yep, finally some good news.
Finally some good news. Rafael, thank you.